How to get water if the world has ended, rivers are radioactive sludge, and you're already dying of thirst. The sky is an angry shade of gray. Every store's looted, and the water towers are empty, or worse, boiling with mystery chemicals. Your throat scratches like sandpaper, and every drop counts. Forget calling for help. No Uber, no clean faucets, no one. No mercy. Time to make your own drinkable water. Start by grabbing anything that might pass as a filter. Old coffee filters? Perfect. A torn shirt? Even better. Got a plastic bottle? Cut that baby in half like you're decapitating a mutant. Layer it with sand, gravel, and charcoal you swiped from the burnt-out fireplace last week. Yes, the one that probably once held someone else's lunch. Congrats, you're already a survivor. Pour the murky water from that puddle nobody else dared to touch. Watch it crawl through your Frankenstein filter. Top layer catches leaves, hair, and regret. Middle layers do the real work, scrubbing dirt and giving you a faint illusion of safety. Bottom layer? That's the good stuff, or as good as it's gonna get. Now, here's a little chaotic science. Charcoal is basically tiny magnets for poison, heavy metals, weird bacteria, maybe a hint of zombie DNA. It clings to the black bits like desperate stalkers. Sand and gravel, they just slam dunk the big chunks that try to escape. Physics wins, kinda. Next, boil it. If you've got fire, congratulations, you're officially a wizard. Steam doesn't carry half the contaminants, just H2O sneaking out like a polite ghost. Trap that steam in any container with a lid, or even a makeshift funnel. Condense it back into water and watch as the top layer separates from the bad stuff you just didn't want to drink. Science, baby. It's messy, but it works. Optional chaos step: if your bottle leaks, duct tape it with whatever fabric scraps you still have clinging to your grimy life. Your survival depends on it, and tape fixes everything. Remember, what you just did is called filtration and distillation. The first step removes big evil chunks. The second step uses heat to leave the nastiness behind while collecting the good stuff. Boiling also kills anything that would have tried to eat your intestines. Simple chemistry. Brutal, messy, but effective. Take a sip. It's probably warm, possibly tastes like ash, and maybe has a hint of your old hoodie. Congratulations. You've officially turned swamp water into something that won't kill you immediately. In a world where every drop counts, you've won. And that's the beauty of survival science. Trash, chaos, and a little fire turns death into life. No bottled water? No problem. Just science, trash, and survival.